What's going on, you guys? I'm here by myself again. No Bink. Probably like, what? Who's Bink? That's Micah, aka Versatile. That's the name I gave him. That's what I call him. But he's not here. It's just me again. You know, we did the unboxing. Well, yeah, we unboxed this stuff. But now I'm gonna unbox it. So actually take the stuff out and show you guys what it is. And yeah, I mean, let's just get into it. Not much else to say. Ooh. Y'all, now my stomach want to act up when I sit down. That's just crazy. So these are the metal coasters. Oops. Go open it. Oh. Okay, so these are the metal coasters. It's just the X, the square, the triangle, and the circle. I like those. Those are cool. Let's put, that's trash. So that's that. Then we have this outlet thingy, whatever, by Safe More. Let's make sure it works though. Hold on. I need my charger. Hold on. So put that in. Nothing. I'm plugging it in. Nothing. But something. Instead of unplugging it, you could just turn it on and off, which is cool. I mean, that's cool. That's something different I've never seen with one of these. And let's make sure the USB port works. And test. I'll have it up here so when I plug it in, you guys will. Okay, really? Okay. Is it in? Yeah, it's in. Maybe that's the other side. Let's see. Yeah. So this button is for this side and this button is for this side. So that's pretty neat. That works great. Next, we have the PS4 controller stand. Which Bink doesn't know, but I'm taking this. No, I think he got the charger is for me. Or maybe the stand is too. I don't know, but I know he said he had got me the charger, so. Oops. So yeah, this is the PlayStation controller stand, and this is how it looks. You know, a little 360 for you guys. Got my controller. You see it's pink. If you guys didn't know, pink is my favorite color. But if you guys even care, probably not. Rotate kickstand into locking position. Okay. Oh. Okay. To open secret compartment, push down on tab door. Push down on tab door will rotate open. Your PS4 controller stand will store your earbuds and other small items. So to open the little compartment back here, you just pull down and it opens, and you could put, you know, can't really see, but you could put like, let's see, where are my headphones? Yeah, I got these little dusty old iPhone headphones, but we'll do these so you guys can get a better picture of what you can store back there. So I'm gonna wrap up the headphones. And then if you want to put them back here, let's see, you can just store them right in there. Very easy. And then let's close it back up. Boom. Boom. Now let's put the controller on. That's the stand. Really? Really? You're going to go on low power now? Really? Okay. That's the stand. That's pretty neat. I like that.
Oh my God!
See, this is why look it, kids don't do this. I had the knife open just laying on the table. And me, out of all people, don't need to do that because I am the most clumsy person. That kind of hurt, but I'm fine. I'm good. You guys, I'm alive. I'm still breathing. No blood. I'm good. And we got, why I close it? I need to use it again. That's why I left it open. But no, close it every time you use the knife. Okay. So this is the charging stand. Now this one looks different from the other one that we have. Yeah, this looks different than the other ones that we have, I think. This is let me show you guys the box. I don't remember how the other one, it's in the video. It's in one of these videos that we made. But yeah, this one's definitely different. This is cool. Oh, wait, hold up. Wait, now, if that's how to turn it on and off, I think I like these better. Take this off. And this piece, what I tell you guys, Butterfingers. This part goes into the, you know, where you usually will plug up to charge the remote. That goes in there. And then you just set it on the stand. And we're gonna, did I unplug it? Yeah, let me plug it back up. Turn it on. So it's not lit up. So what I'm guessing you do is, wait. Ooh, it's lit up now. Yeah. Wait, is it? Wait, hold up. Is it lit up? To turn it on, you just press down, and then the light will come on. You see that? You kind of see it? Yeah, you see it? And that means it's charging. Like, I don't have to explain it, you get it. Like, why am I so amazed by that? I don't know. So it's a stand and a charger. 2-in-1. You get 2-in-1 with this. Because the other ones, once you put it, when you set it on there, it's charging unless you unplug it. But this, you don't even have to unplug it. You could just be chilling right here on the stand, or if you want to charge it, boom, just click down and then click right back up. Boom, that easy. That's cool. I like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in, well, one of these videos coming up soon. You're gonna see me. So your girl Candace is signing out until the next video. Wait for it. Y'all, the dab is so out of style. Let me stop. Wait for it.